Uh, Hello, ma'am. I am Aqib Khan from 5A. Today, I want to talk about formation and metabolism of chylomicron. Ma'am, when we take food, it digests in small intestine, and in small intestine we got a molecule of fat. It means exogenously we got fat, and this fat is unable to use for our tissue because fat is hydrophobic, and it should go with the blood circulation, and blood is also hydrophilic. So it is the fat is unable to go to our circulatory system and our tissues. So there is our gallbladder secrete bile to small intestine. In bile, many substances are present like bilirubin and bile salt, etc. So, ma'am, bile salt accumulate on the surface of that fat, triglyceride and cholesterol ester, and make a phospholipid layer. So hydrophilic portion of the phospholipid layer is outside, and hydrophobic portion of the phospholipid is on the inside with fat molecules. And ma'am, so this is make a large molecule, and it is unable to go up to the many channels. So it break down in small granules by the process of emulsification, and uh, the small granules are made in a small intestine, and here a lipase, pancreatic lipase is present, which break down the triglyceride into two molecules of free fatty acid and one molecule of monoglycerol. And now in the intestinal wall there is SER and RER present. SER combined the monoglyceride and free fatty acid together and form a triglyceride, and rough endoplasmic reticulum make a apoprotein B48. So, ma'am, these are combined and form nascent chylomicron. Nascent chylomicron have a triglyceride, cholesterol and cholesterol ester in center, and a phospholipid layer, and out of the phospholipid layer there is a protein present, apoprotein B48. Now, ma'am, this nascent chylomicron goes to our lymphatic system because the pores are channels, protein channels of lymphatic system are large, so they goes to the lymphatic system, and from the lymphatic system there is with the help of lacteal, it goes to our circulatory system at the thoracic duct. And when in thoracic duct or blood circulation, there is VLDL is present. VLDL means very dose, very VLDL. HDL is present. HDL it means high density lipoprotein, and ma'am, LPL, lipoprotein lipase, is also present on the wall of the circulatory system. So, ma'am, HDL gives the nascent chylomicron enzyme C2 and apoprotein C2 and apoprotein E. And now the chylomicron have apoprotein B48, apoprotein C2, apoprotein E. And at this time, chylomicron is known as mature chylomicron. So the apoprotein C2 help to activate the lipoprotein lipase, and lipoprotein lipase break down the mature chylomicrons into free fatty acid and monoglyceride molecules, and then it goes to the tissues of our body like skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and or go to storage for storage to the cardiac to the adipose tissue, ma'am. And now C2 goes back to the HDL, and the other C2 goes to the HDL, and now apoenzyme B48 and apoenzyme E are present, and at this time it is known as ruminant chylomicron, and it goes to the liver. On the liver surface, there is a enzyme, there is a channel present, LDL receptors known as LDL receptor, which activate by the apoenzyme E. Now the ruminant chylomicron have apoenzyme E, and then this activate the LDL receptor, and then ruminant chylomicron enter in the liver, and here it break down into protein, triglycerides, and for go to formation of a bile, and this cycle will be complete. Thank you, ma'am.